Language learning made easy. Hello, lovely students, and welcome to English for Beginners. I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you. Don't worry, I'll provide a full list at the end of the video. Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
People and Work. Unit 26. A problem at the office. I had a big problem at the office today.
What happened?
I could not use my computer all day.
Was it because of a virus?
Yes, I opened a file that had a virus.
Oh no! You must be careful when you open files in your email. A virus can make your whole computer crash.
It was an accident. I didn't know the file had a virus. I'll be more careful next time.
What did you do next?
I asked a computer repairman to come to the office. He worked all day to repair my computer. But the real problem is that I may have lost some of my work.
Don't worry. Your work is probably still on your computer. I can help you get it back. Next time, make sure you have backup files, just in case it happens again.
Vocabulary. Problem. Office. Computer. Virus. Crash. Accident. Repairman. Backup. Thank you and goodbye.